In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone or iPad Wi-Fi connection issues. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, it can be extremely frustrating if you're trying to connect to Wi-Fi and it's just not working. So there's a few different errors that it could be, but it's very easy to fix. So what we want to do firstly is swipe down on the top right of our screen. It's going to look something like this. Firstly, if you have airplane mode on, go ahead and turn it off. Then what you could also do is just go ahead and disable your Wi-Fi from there and then turn it on again, see if that works. However, if that doesn't work, what we want to do is go over to our settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see Wi-Fi as one of the options. So go over to that. So from here, if it's not connecting, all you want to do is, you can see it shows networks and stuff. Press I on whichever network you're trying to connect to where it's not connecting. And then you're going to see forget this network at the very top. So go ahead and press forget this network, and then it's going to ask you to reconnect to the network, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go and you'll be able to connect to Wi-Fi again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.